want to make just a very fast video about how to take the exam. So if I'm looking at this as you would see it, you would be in Laulima and you would click under topics, and you'll see that the 3 exams appear at the point where you're supposed to take them. So you'd be taking exam 1 after you complete topic 2, and you'd be doing exam 1 by June 2nd. Exam 2 appears after topic 7, and you'd be doing this by June 16th. And exam 3 appears after topic 12, and you'd be completing this by June 28th. So let's look at what the exam would look like. So under topics, you would then click on it this way. And when you click on it this way, you'll then see this and you would then start the exam. So it's not going to let me do it because I'm obviously the instructor, so I'm not taking it like you. But if I change this to how you would see it, you'll then see what the settings are. So the first exam is a little bit shorter, so here I'm giving you 2 hours. You have only 1 attempt to do it. So that's where it's a little bit different than the homework assignments. With the homework assignments, you could do it as many times as you wanted and keep doing it to get the highest score. Here you have 2 hours and you're doing it once. Now, the way that this looks is the first set of questions are multiple choice, about 20 to 30, anywhere between 20 and 30 questions that are multiple choice. And then the exam ends with about anywhere from like 5 to 7 short answer questions where you have to type out a response. Make sure you allocate enough time to type out those answers, because otherwise you will not complete the exam in time. For exam 2 and exam 3, obviously there's a lot more material that is being covered there. The exam isn't significantly longer, but because you're dealing with a lot more material, I do give you 2.5 hours to do those exams. But again, the biggest thing I can stress to you here is that you have 1 time to do it, and there is a time limit. And I think there's a timer in the corner too as you're taking it. Again, first 20 to 30 questions are all multiple choice. Then make sure you allocate enough time for the short answer questions, which are anywhere from like 5 to 7 or 8 questions. And those are going to be each individually worth a lot more points than each individual multiple choice.